Howdy friends! Today we are going to look at how to create a team hub using the new Google Sites. So this is a part of the feature of the Google Drive suite. So we are actually going to create a YouTube channel. But I'm going to show you first how to create this, how you can create this. What we're going to do is, I'm just in human resources. It doesn't matter where you are. I would just want to go to Drive and you click New, and then you scroll down to More. And once you're at More, you can go to a Google site. You see that link right there? You just select Google site. And then once it's created, you're able to now edit the sites that you want to create. And it's really, really simple. In the old Google sites, there used to be a template button that makes it really easy to create templates. Now it's a little more challenging. So this is just like the blank page. That's how you create a new site if you need to, but we actually don't want to create a new site. So I'm going to go back to this YouTube hub. See, this is already done. So we don't reinvent the wheel. We like to save time. We're going to go to this More, this double three dot. We're going to click Duplicate Site. Once we duplicate this site, we're going to rename it Graphic Design Team Hub. Graphic Design Team Hub. And it's same in the Human Resources department. And we're going to click OK. And we are copying it. And how you know that it's copied, it's going to show in the top left corner of the YouTube team. This should say graphic design team, but it has a lot of images and photos and links and things that it's trying to copy, so we don't have to worry about that. There we go. I think we copied it, and it looks like we're still on the same site, so I'm going to go over here where we supposedly copied it and look for it. Oh, there's a YouTube. Where's the graphic design?
Can you go back to the thing? The hub?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I think it's right there.
Here's a graphic design team hub. There you have it. And that's the one I just created. I'm actually going to move that to the trash. I don't want that. But here's a graphic design team. We're going to open this up. All you got to do is double click it. Super nice. And you have the whole site. It's already half of your work is done for you. So now it's just a matter of updating it to very team specific resources. Welcome to the Graphic Design Team Hub. And then we're going to change this title, Graphic Design Team Hub. There's 4 main areas: training, resources, personal development, and contact info. So these are all buttons. They're already linked. So we're going to go over to the resources. And this, of course, is all going to say YouTube, but we're going to update that. Graphic Design Team Hub. And in order to get an idea of what some of the resources are, I don't necessarily want to delete them yet until I'm going to use this to get inspiration as to what videos we want to have next. I mean, what resources we want to keep on here. So we're going to go to Trello and we're going to see what are some of the resources that we want to have. What resources do you want to have?
For the graphic design,
Here are some of the getting
definitely
started.
a lot of the things are in that first list, getting started instructions. A lot of that I wanted in there because I've started to like.
But which one specifically?
Oh, right now to like start with.
Anything to include in the hub, like a list.
I have
specifically.
How to access your graphic designer files.
Okay, that'd be good. So we can have that on there. We should turn this into a Google Doc.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What else?
The getting stuck. Can you open the getting started?
Where?
That one.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
I didn't even see that. Oh, hey, these are some standard operating procedures to record. So we'll be able to use that. And you know what? I just found Ranel's guidelines to basic guidelines of graphic design, the video training she used. So we'll be able to do that.
Yeah, let's use that. Creating site presentations, that's an important one. Copyright photos, yeah.
So, creating slide presentations, that's nice. Oh, Loom, it's not on YouTube. So we're going to find that on YouTube. But basically, what we want to do is, just for recording's sake, we're going to take a copy of this link, and then we're going to go over here. That would be under training. So we see insert. We're going to go to pages in the top right corner. We're going to hit training.
Nice.
And then under training, it's going to be, what was that? How to access graphic design files. Our graphic design files. All right. Whoops. Graphic design files. So we're going to take that, and if you hover your mouse over this little link, that's a link in a chain, so it's a universal icon for inserting a link. You can also see the Control K. That's a hotkey that you can use. So then Control V to paste it, and then just like that, it's applied, and now it's a link that works. So a few quick things to know. That's how you link something. You can highlight it, or you see role training here. You can highlight it. You can select normal text, which is bold, or you can go to title. That's really bold, big. Heading, or you can do subheading. Subheading has our branding, so we're going to keep it with that. And then if you scroll down here, anywhere that there isn't something, you can just double click it, and then you have either a text box, images, upload from the drive, or you can embed anything from anywhere on any website. It's really nice.
Wow.
And then, so that's a pretty basic thing that you can do. You can add a text box, and you can start typing anything you want. And if you want to delete it, you can hit delete. Or if you, let's say we want to copy this, because I had to copy that in order to put it on every page, you hit copy, and then it duplicates all of these. It's very simple. You can even change the background if you want. You can put a special background, which we don't want any of that. So,
wow.
But there's a lot of features that you can edit. Whoops. I deleted. See, look, I accidentally deleted one too many. Now it's missing. So all you really have to do is, just like on a Word document, you hit Control Z, and it puts it back. I mean, this is drag and drop. Anyone can do this. So you go to insert. You have all these options. You got text box, the same four that you double click and you have. They're all right there. You can have a divider, which is for design reasons. You can upload anything from your Google Drive. You can embed any YouTube video. You can have a calendar, a map, Google Docs, slide sheets, form, charts, all of it. It's integrated with Google. It's super simple. When you're done and you're ready to go, you just hit the word publish, and you can choose Graphic Design Team Hub. Yeah, I like that. And then you just hit publish. Now, keep in mind, any time that you publish something, like let's go, see how this says YouTube Team Training Hub? Now that it's published, we can actually go, we can view the published site. This is what anybody with a link is going to have. It says pop-up locked. I'm going to allow this. So view published site. There we go. Now the pop-up will work. So we're under training, and this is what it looks like, right? So I'm going to update this. This isn't YouTube, this is graphic design. Graphic design. So that's done. It's automatically saved. If I exit out of this, it's going to stay the same. But when I go over to the public published site, training, when I refresh the page, it still says YouTube training. Why? Because in order to make your updates public to the web, you have to click the word publish again. And then, now that this is published again, when I refresh it, it should be updated here. There it is. See? It's pretty simple. So that's a good thing to know about it. But other than that, that's basically how you start a new TeamHub. Then it's just a matter of going through and updating all these things that you don't want to use that's not specific to the team that you're working on. And it's really simple, really fast. I hope that helps. I look forward to working with you more in the future.